George, a definite winter sky today with those low, dark gray clouds, but we're going to see sunshine too.
Yes, sunshine is going to break loose here tomorrow, just in time for Valentine's Day.
Perfect.
Yeah, we want it that way, don't we?
We do.
Yeah, absolutely. And then we've got some snow and a wintry mix coming after Valentine's Day, Thursday. Tonight, 13 weather ball is Spartan strong green. Also, our weather pattern is going to see no change foreseen for tomorrow. And as far as the weather, we're talking about a new way to get inside information for West Michigan. And if you sign up, you can join the 13 weather team on all the inside weather information by texting weather to 616-559-1310 or scan that QR code there, and you will get information three times a week on what we're thinking for the weather pattern. Some breaks in the clouds here and there. Had a snowflake or two, had zero impact on your daily activity, but temperatures are on the cool side. They've cooled off from readings into the mid and upper 30s. We're now in the low and mid 30s. This is very typical for the middle of February, and we're down about 5 to 8 degrees and maybe even as cold as 9 degrees down in the Kalamazoo area. We had a couple of flurries out there with mainly just cloudy skies and some breaks as well. Next weather system hasn't even developed yet. The storm that affected the eastern seaboard is now offshore and there's sunshine there. Next weather system will be developing in Colorado and take a track right over southern lower Michigan. That will be during the day on Thursday. In the meantime, skies are going to clear later on this evening, so another cold night coming up. And then during the day tomorrow, we'll see a good deal of sunshine. That storm system hasn't even blossomed yet here by tomorrow evening, but as it moves to the east, we're going to start to see some of that snow move in, hopefully. We'll see that move in a little bit later on. Looks like our models have gotten stuck here, but we're going to see some snow and some rain move in. That will be late in the day on late in the morning on Thursday, and we could see up to 2/3 of an inch of liquid here in West Michigan with some snow, and that snow will be arriving, and there could be about 2 to 4 inches of snow between about 4 a.m. on Thursday to about 1 p.m. on Thursday. So definitely going to affect your morning and midday commute here in West Michigan. Temperatures tomorrow with all of that glorious sunshine up near 40 degrees, but cooling off to 38 on Thursday. So that's during the snow. So some of that will be melting, but it will be snowing faster than the snow can melt. So there's going to be some accumulation. And then 29 during the day on Friday. As far as our long range outlook, you can expect equal chances for warmer or cooler temperatures from the 19th through the 23rd. And the same for precipitation, equal chance for more or less. Tonight, skies will become clear, cold around the low and mid 20s. Northern areas will also become clear, 19 to 22 for your lows. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, dropping down to around 21 to 22. 13 on your side forecast. So it's mostly sunny skies on Valentine's Day, and then that wintry mix with snow, some accumulation, also some rain further south, and then cold with some snow flurries Friday and Saturday. Warming up next week, eventually we'll get up into the low 40s Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
Glad to see there is some snow because it is February.
It is. Relatively quiet February day here in West Michigan. Trying to see some sunshine at this hour, but that's going to break loose here during the day tomorrow before that snow arrives. For your Ash Wednesday and Valentine's Day, 13 weather ball is Spartan strong green. It also means no change foreseen. And as far as your dog walking forecast is concerned, we're looking at breaking up clouds here throughout the evening for Kenzie. Looking good there, Kenzie. You're just waiting to go out for that walk. It's going to be cold this evening, dropping down below freezing here in the next hour or two. Green paw for your evening walk. And Tammy, it should be great in the morning, but a bit chilly. There'll be some sunshine to start your day and end your day. As a result, more sunshine tomorrow than we saw today. Just a few breaks here and there with a stray snow flurry. Wind's going to be down a little bit from today as well, so not the best to create the green energy here in West Michigan. Nonetheless, we've had mainly Mainly cloudy skies, a couple of flakes of snow here and there, having zero impact on your daily travels. As far as the rest of the weather pattern, we've got a storm that's going to be coming up from the southwest, hasn't developed yet. That will affect our morning commute on Thursday. Tonight, we're looking at skies becoming clear. Another cold night, low in mid-20s, and then getting up into the upper 30s to near 40 tomorrow. Look at that, all that sunshine. Here comes that next weather system. This is 7 o'clock in the morning on Thursday. We've got snow and a wintry mix south, but that's only going to last between about 4 a.m. on Thursday morning to about 1 p.m. And then actually we get some breaks in the clouds by the end of the day. Next weather systems may bring a stray lake effect flurry over the weekend, but for the most part, just a dry weather pattern and much colder than we have been used to all the way through Sunday afternoon when the sun comes back out. In terms of rain and melted snow, most of it is coming between about 4 a.m. and 1 p.m. on Thursday. Could see up to a half an inch of some melted snow and some rain to the south. And in terms of snowfall, it'll all come within about a 6 to 8 hour period. Only 0.2 of an inch on the ground or falling on Thursday morning, but watch how much falls during the afternoon. Could see anywhere from 2 to 4+ inches of snow. Again, some of that melting, but some of that accumulating. So a sloppy, wet kind of snowy pattern. Long range outlook. This is February 21 through 27th, ending the month of February with high chances for warmer temperatures once again above that average high of 35 to 37, and a little higher chance that we could see more precipitation also during that 7-day period. For tonight, skies will become clear or mostly clear. Low in mid-20s here with a light north wind becoming calm by daybreak. Up north, you can expect 19 to 22. Another cold night. It'd be colder if there was snow on the ground, but it's only going to reach around 20. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll be in the low 20s as skies become mostly clear. 13 on your side forecast. So a mostly sunny Valentine's Day near 40, 38 despite the snow, and we'll see some rain, especially further south. We're going to give you a minimum travel impact there on Thursday, and then only in the upper 20s Friday and Saturday with some few lake effect snow flurries. Sunny again on Sunday, and then we'll warm into the upper 30s on President's Day, the holiday Monday, and low and mid 40s Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
Tonight, the 13 weather ball is solid green to show solidarity with those affected by the MSU shooting a year ago. Chief Meteorologist George Lesson's outside on the weather deck, and I don't know if you noticed, George, but there were snowflakes coming down behind Elena in part of her live coverage.
Yes, just some flurries to remind us that it is still winter here in West Michigan. Had zero impact on anything you had to do today, but we've got more snow on the way, and that's headed our way for Thursday. Highs today, we're up into the mid and upper 30s across the land. Average high is 33, didn't quite make 42 like we did last year, but that 37 matched our forecast high exactly for the 4th day in a row. We've had bullseyes and 5 days within our target range, and we hope to extend that here tomorrow. Again, a couple of no consequence snow flurries, kind of like reporting that there is cold weather across west of Michigan. So these snow flurries are really having no impact on our weather, but we will see some impactful weather later on this week. Skies are going to become clear tonight, so another cold night as we get down into the low 20s, upper teens, and lots of sunshine for Valentine's Day, just the way we like it. And then the clouds roll in, and towards daybreak, we're going to start to see some snow mixed with rain, especially from Grand Rapids southward. And it will snow harder than the snow will melt, so there will be some accumulation. This will be about an 8-hour event between about 4 a.m. on Thursday and about 1 p.m. on Thursday. And then the skies are going to start to clear on out later on Friday. We'll see some sunshine by the end of the day, and we'll see virtually dry conditions over the upcoming weekend. Lots of sunshine expected here during the day on Sunday. As far as liquid, most of it will be in the form of some snow mixed with rain down toward I-94. Further north you get, the better chances you will see for snow as that storm track comes up right over Detroit by the afternoon on Thursday. And in terms of snowfall, we are looking at about 2.5 to perhaps 4.5 inches of snow. All of that coming in about that 8-hour period during the day on Thursday. Forecast for tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, temperatures around 39 to 41. That's about the same or a little bit warmer, upper 30s up north with mostly sunny skies. And from Grand Rapids southward, looking at highs right around 39 to 41. 13 on your side forecast. So that wintry mix on Thursday will give a minimum travel impact with that. Upper 20s over the weekend with a few flurries both Friday and Saturday. Lots of sunshine again on Sunday and then warming up into the low and mid 40s Tuesday through the following Thursday.